And Jesus said offense must come. No fasting and prayer can stop it. Satan will keep spitting venoms. He will keep spitting venoms at the work of God and workers of God, destroying teams, scattering teams. Offense must come. So where the matter lies is, have you gotten what it takes to handle offenses? Do you actually have the password, spiritual password into the system that will unlock the system to diffuse offense? Because revival will not be released on top of offenses. As we offend them, let us pay it. Excuse me, preacher, if your Lord and Savior paid tribute that he was not supposed to pay to collapse offense, who are you?